Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to show you how we can add our website to Google Search Console and how we can verify the ownership of it. It is so simple. I want you to follow the exact steps that I'm showing. So the first thing is we have to open a new tab and then we have to open Google and then we have to search for Google Search Console and I want to click on enter. It will take us to this page and from here we have to click on Google Search Console and then let me click on start now, and here it is asking for us for two different options. One is for domain and the other one is URL prefix. So here I want to enter the name of my website, the client that I am dealing with. In my scenario, I quickly would like to navigate to the first tab and here I want to take the copy of the clickandcapturestudio.com and then I want to come back to the Google Search Console and I want to paste it. And once it is done, I want to click on continue. It is checking for the verification. Alright, here we got one of the pop-up and here it is asking us to verify whether the clickandcapturestudio.com really belongs to us. And here it is asking for multiple verification methods, out of which we have to choose any one. HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, but the recommended verification method is HTML file. What we have to do? First, I want to click on this arrow and here it is clearly asking us to copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It is asking us to take the copy of this particular link. So let me click on copy. And what it is asking us to paste this particular link exactly in Click and Capture Studio's homepage. And we have to go to the head section and we have to paste it right before the body section, the very first body section. So the navigation will be very simple. First, we have to navigate to the website. In my scenario, clickandcapturestudio.com, and I want to navigate to the WordPress. And just in case if you do not see these elements right after the URL, please type /wp-admin and you will be landing on the WordPress login page where you have to enter the username and password, and once you have entered the details, you will be landing directly on the WordPress dashboard page. So on the WordPress dashboard page, we have to navigate to the appearance and then we have to choose the very last option, which is theme file editor. Let me click on theme file editor, and once it is open, from the right side box we have to choose header. So let me search for header. We found it, header.php. Let me click on header.php, and once it is open, let me scroll a little bit down and we have to find the head. Let me find where is the head located. As we can see, from here till here we find the head, right? So right above the head, which means after the line number 32, I want to click on enter and then I want to paste the URL which I have copied. And once it is done, we have to scroll down completely below so that we can update the file. And once the file is edited successfully, what we have to do? We have to navigate back to the Google Search Console and then we have to click on verify button, and it will probably take maybe 20 to 30 seconds of time. It is much more earlier, it just took 5 seconds of time. Here the ownership got verified. So it is very simple to add our website to Google Search Console and to verify the ownership. And if you really want to learn the digital marketing from me, and maybe if you are new to my channel and if this is your first video, I want you to navigate to the Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist digital marketing. There you will find the digital marketing classes from the very basics, and where I have did hundreds of videos exactly for you completely for free. And all of my videos will be very short and sweet. And I'll see you in the next video where I will be discussing much more about the Google Search Console. Thank you so much.